Yay, cloud.
To the cloud. Windows Live. To create and share anywhere.
Soul of Samuel Adams. Spicy citrus tomato. The best hops have been grown on family farms like the Stengelmeyers for centuries. It has unique conditions of soil, moisture, and sunlight. Boss arriving to prove there's a taste. Friday, while the boss is away. Barry learns this job isn't as easy as it looks. Google's most watched Friday night continues Friday. Flying Wild Alaska at 9. And New American Mothers at 10. Only on this channel.